First, you'll need to trace a circle where you're going to put the peephole and then drill a hole into the box. The peephole should come in 2 pieces that you can unscrew, and then we'll screw it back together through the hole that we just drilled. Make sure that the lens faces the inside of the box. After that's done, you can secure it with a little bit of hot glue. For my box, I decided to paint the inside to resemble a sky, but this step is optional. You only need to paint the back and side walls and the bottom of the lid. Next, you can cut out any images you want to use in your diorama. I'm using a photograph I took in Big Bend. My image wasn't as long as I wanted, so I ended up printing a reverse copy of it and taping them together for a more panoramic type view. Next, we'll add the background image inside the diorama. Cut it so that it fits into a U shape inside the box and secure with tape. I decided to add some desert plant life, so I cut out images and drawings of cacti. To add them in, you can fold a small rectangle of thick paper like cardstock, glue one side to the back of the cutout, and then one side to the box. Next, I added some small toy animals. You can check through the peephole to figure out where's best to place them. I added 2 battery-powered clip lights so we'll be able to see inside when the lid's closed. These came with adhesive strips on the back, so it was really easy to stick them on either side of the peephole. Last, I added some sand to the bottom of the box. I drizzled some white glue first, then sprinkled the sand on top. Next, we can turn on the lights, close up the lid, and we're ready to look inside.